We have completed up to question number 18 from exercise 6a. Look at question number 19. It says the age of Rajesh and his sisters are 9 years 8 months and 5 years 4 months respectively. Now you can see the time is given in year and month both. Question number 19. Age of Rajesh is given 9 years 8 months. So what I am going to do, I am going to convert everything in the same unit, that is in month. 9 into 12 plus 8, I can write it. This is in the month we have converted. So this gives you 116 months. Age of the sister is 5 years 4 months. So what we are going to do? 5 into 12 plus 4 months. So this gives you 64 months. Now you will understand why I have converted, because the money has to be distributed among according to their age. So what we are going to do? Total money has to be distributed is equal to rupees 4,365. Clear? Now according to their age means this is the total combination collection. So this 2 also will add sum of their ages. Is it? That gives you 116 plus 64 months or 180 months. Clear? So what will be the share of Rajesh? Rajesh's share would be, he was 116 month out of 180 month. So he would be getting according to that the money. Now we'll just see what does it gives. 2 5s are 10, 8s are 16, 2 90, 2 29, 2 45. Now with 45 we'll reduce it. That gives you 97 times 45 9s are 97. See, 45 9s are 9 5s are 45, 405. Then you had 36, 436 here. So 1 3 3 1 5 5 7 7 3 and 5. So this gives you 97 times. So Rajesh gets 29 into rupees 97. That gives you rupees 2,830. Is it? Now what does sister get? Sister's share? $64 by 180 into rupees 4365. 4 16s up, 4 45s up, 45 97s up. So this gives you 16 into rupees 97. 16 7s are 112, 16 9s are 144, and 11 155. So it gives you rupees 1,552. This is sister's share. This is Rajesh's share. Next question is, 3 women contributed rupees 42,000, rupees 28,000 and rupees 60,000 to open a beauty parlor. They make a profit of rupees 50,635 in a year. If the profit is to be shared in the ratio of their contribution, find each one's share of a profit. Now, question number 20. Contribution of 3 women are rupees 42,000, rupees 28,000 and rupees 60,000. Clear? So the ratio will be the rate 42,000 is to 28,000 is to 60,000. Clear? First I am cancelling all zeros. 2 21s are, 2 40s are, 2 30s are. Now if these two are divisible by 3, this is not. If these two are divisible by 7, this is not. If these two are divisible by 2, this is not. So we'll be writing 21 is to 14 is to 30. Now what I have done, I have converted their shares in the ratio. Now what was the total profit? Is equal to rupees 50,635. So what would be the sum of ratio? Sum of ratio (21 plus 14 plus 30), that gives you 65. So share of or profit of first woman, profit for first woman 21 out of 65. So what will be out of rupees 50,635? Now when we cancel it with 3, 7 3s are 21. No. With 5 you guys will not go. It will remain as it is. 13 5s are 65. 5 1s are 5, 0, 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 5 7s are 35. Now with 13 you cut 13 7s are 91, 10, 13 7s are 91, 11, 7 79. So this gives you rupees 21 into 779, or when you multiply you get rupees 16,359. Similarly, profit for second woman will find profit for second, it gives you 14 by 65 into rupees 50,635, 65 779 times we have got this, so it gives you rupees 14 into 779, or it gives you rupees 10,906. Profit for third woman, it gives you 30 by 65 into rupees 50,635, 779 times, so it gives you rupees 30 into 779, or it gives you 0 27 rupees 23,370. These are the shares of profit for the ladies. Amit donates 2,04,918 into charitable institutions, such that the first institution gets 2/5 of what the second one gets. Find the amount of money each institution receives Also find the ratio between the amounts of institutions get. Now let the second institution get X rupees. Total donation rupees 2,04,918. Let first institution gets rupees X. So second gets 2x by 5. Clear? Now when we find it, these are the donation given to the institution and total gives you 2,04,908. According to the question, donation for the first and donation for the second is a total 2,04,918, or it gives you 5x plus 2x by 5 is equal to rupees 2,04,980, or 7x is equal to rupees 2,04,918 into 5, or x is equal to rupees 2,04,918 into 5 by 7. See, it is cancelling with 7. 7 2s are 14, 6 7 9s are 63, 7 2s are 14, 5 7 7s are 49, 7 4s are 28. So x is equal to, we get x is equal to, we get rupees 29,274 into 5. It gives you 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35 and 2 37, 5 2s are 10 and 3 13, 5 9s are 45 and 1 46, 5 2s are 10 and 4 14. So 2x by 5 we get 2 into 1 46370 by 5. This is rupees. 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 5 4s are 20. It gives you 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. Now it gives you 146370, 5 8 5 4 8. See what does it give? 8 11 9, 2,04,918 we got. It means our contribution is equal, our distribution is equal. Now ratio, they have asked. First we got the each, also find the ratio two institution gets. Now the ratio between the donations is equal to 146370 by 58540. Zeros cancelled. Now it will go with 549. Not go with 3. Then you say 7 56 2 56 2 25 7 3 is 21 4. No, it is not. Oh, this is 8. Now how I am cancelling it? With 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8. 3 9 4 2 with 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 3 9s are 27. 3 5s are 15. This is 3 9s are 27. 2 3 7s are 21. 3 5s are 15. 3 8s are 24. Now it will go with 3 it will not go. C with 7. 7 3s are 21. 3 with 7. 7 3s are 21. 3 7 4s are 28. 5 7 8s are 56. 7 5s are 35 with 7. 7 1s are 7. 2 7 3s are 21. 6 7 9s are 63. 7 4s are 21. It will go with what now? 7 it will not go. No. It will go with what next? No, it will go with what? 2 6 are 12. 1 2 6 are 12. 2 9s are 18. 2 7s are 14. Why to do this all? Already we had 2:5 now. Okay. See, this will go with 697. 2s are 697. Actually, this ratio will be smaller to bigger. Ratio between the donation, we had x 2x by 5 by x, is it? So it gives you 2x by 5 into 1 by x. No need to cancel it more. 2 by 5 or 2:5. Already it is given. So why to go with the number? If you go with the number, it will come. Finally, it was divided by 697. So just 2:5. Number 22. Two numbers are in the ratio of 3:7 and LCM is 147. Now, when it is LCM is the least common multiple, is it? Ratio between the number is 3:7. Ratio between the numbers, simply I was struggling with, is equal to 3:7. LCM is 147. LCM is a common multiple, means product. So what we'll find here, as I have told you, when it will be given difference, we'll subtract. When it will given sum, we'll add the ratio. Now it is given LCM means product, common multiple means product. So product of 3 and 7 will be 3 into 7, 21. So the first number 3 by 21 into 147. 3 7s are, it is 21, and the second number 7 by 21 into 147. 7 3s are 49. So these are the numbers 21 and 49. Now next question, it says 15,000 is divided between Meera and Sheena such a way Sheena gets 1/3 of what Meera gets. That Meera gets x, Sheena gets x by 3. Now you can find the shares of Meena and Sheena. So Meena is x by 1 by 3x, x by 3. So it gives you x by 3 by x, 3 is to 1. The shares of Meena and Sina that you have to find with the x and x by 3. So number 23 you take as a homework, you write at your homework. Others I will be telling you next day. Question number 23 is a homework. Others I will be telling you next day. Till then keep practicing. Thank you.